How to fix mobile data not working after update. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix mobile data not working after an update. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. To fix mobile data after an update not working, start with simple steps. First, restart your phone. Press the volume up and power button together. You'll see the restart button, tap on it, and restart it. A simple reboot often clears out temporary glitches. You can also swipe down from the top, go to your quick settings, find the airplane mode option, turn it on for 30 seconds, and then turn it off. This will reset your network connections. Also, after that, what you can do is reinsert your SIM card. Power off, remove your SIM card and then reinsert it after you've cleaned it with a dry cloth. Make sure that it is seated correctly as well. After that, check if your mobile data works or not. If it still does not work, we'll just head over to our settings, scroll down till we find the system option, tap on it, head over to reset options, then tap on reset mobile network settings. Then tap on the reset button and then reset the setting. After doing that, make sure that you're not connected to any VPN as well, and you should be good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.